Hello, in this video I will show you all items that comes with XIAOMI 12T inside the box. So now let's open it, and inside we can find this box. So it contains the needle that you can open the SIM card with it, and also some warranty as well as the instructions. There's a holder for the phone, foil, the USB to USB-C charger, cable, and there's a charger with 120 watts power. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.